The Dow Jones Industrial Average, tracked by the US30, is a direct reflection of 30 of the largest publicly owned blue-chip companies in America. This intersection at Wall Street is the physical engine of that corporate power. Traders use the US30 CFD to speculate on the movement of the entire index, capturing its price momentum without ever owning a single share of the underlying companies. At 8:30 a.m. Eastern, an inflation report like the Consumer Price Index hits the wire. The CPI measures changes in the prices paid by consumers for goods and services, and it heavily influences market expectations. Within seconds of the release, the US30 can surge or plummet hundreds of points. Trading a contract for difference, or CFD, uses leverage to control a large position with a small amount of capital. While this magnifies potential profits, it multiplies losses with the exact same speed. One violent swing against an unprotected position will instantly wipe out an account. Systematic traders treat this volatility as a mechanical requirement for profit. By identifying high-probability setups, they harvest gains from the very swings that ruin the unprepared. The index reacts aggressively to real-world data. A single quarterly earnings beat from a heavyweight component like Microsoft is enough to pull the entire average upward. The heaviest pressure comes directly from the Federal Reserve. The Federal Open Market Committee, or FOMC, sets the baseline interest rates for the country, dictating how expensive it is for businesses to borrow money. When the Fed chair takes the podium, algorithms and human traders parse every word. A hint that rates might stay higher for longer immediately pulls capital out of stocks, triggering a sharp drop in the US30. Tracking the economic calendar is mandatory. It identifies exactly when a major injection of volatility is scheduled to hit the tape, providing the reason behind a move before it even happens. This chart shows the US30 price action approaching a historical ceiling. The fundamentals tell us a catalyst is coming, but this thick resistance line at 35,000 defines the exact battleground for the entry. Traders wait for the exact moment the price and volume punch through that barrier. A breakout strategy aims to catch the start of a new trend by entering a trade only after the price definitively breaks a known level of resistance. To ensure this isn't a fake-out, you check the momentum. This lower panel displays the RSI and MACD. The Relative Strength Index, or RSI, measures the speed and change of price movements, while the Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD, tracks the relationship between two moving averages of the price. The news hits. The candle breaks 35,000. Down the low, the MACD lines cross upward at the exact same second, confirming the strength of the move. High-probability trading relies on the alignment of fundamental triggers and technical confirmation signals. You wait for both to point in the same direction before executing. Executing a trade based on a perfect signal without a mathematical safety net is merely gambling, especially in the volatile US30 market. This interface breaks down a typical $5,000 trading account. Professional traders employ strict position sizing, capping their maximum exposure to just 1%, exactly $50, on any single swing. You enforce that limit by anchoring a stop-loss order right below the recent structural low. A stop-loss is an automated order placed with a broker to sell an asset once it reaches a certain price, capping your potential downside. Positioning the order beneath that technical structure keeps you in the trade during normal market noise. If unpredictable news causes the market to gap open against you, this shield prevents the broker from issuing a catastrophic margin call. Disciplined risk management ensures that even when a fundamental thesis is wrong, the portfolio survives the loss. This visualization tracks the successful execution of our setup. The price rides the momentum wave upward, hitting our predefined exit target and automatically locking in the profit. Most traders fail because they lack psychological discipline. Seeing massive green candles print on the screen triggers the fear of missing out, leading to impulsive decisions. These emotional reactions result in buying at the absolute peak of a rally or attempting revenge trades that ignore risk parameters. Success on the Dow Jones requires mastering a specific trinity: anticipating the news, waiting for technical confirmation, and locking down your risk. Long-term profitability on the US30 requires internal discipline, maintaining strict control over your own actions even as the market descends into unpredictable chaos. Build that discipline through practice. Open a risk-free FXNX demo account today to test these strategies using real-time data and advanced charting tools.